Ah! What are you doing, man?
There's an alien behind us.
I don't care. It's 8 o'clock in the freaking morning. Don't scream like that. Oh, he cracked it as well.
Oh, that wasn't my mirror though. That's alright, I didn't care.
No, it was that BMW's mirror. He cracked it.
That's what you get for being a patient.
Oh, did you have a look see if they've got matte ones in there?
No. I'll get a proper one. When I run out of pepper, I'll have to get one. Because then I need my pepper.
You did not have to put the bucket in the car, didn't you?
Yeah.
We're going to put the girls up.
Obviously.
You've got a bucket in the back.
Huh?
You've got a bucket in the back.
Oh, put it in the front or in the middle. Oh, come on, man. You had all that time where you were stopped to jump out, and then you still like, oh. Is that old people? Old people? Old people?
Oh, they're all outside as well, so.
No, go in there. I'm not getting through there. Go in there. In there. There's a space for you to put in. Thank you.
Did she just call you a bastard?
Yeah, she did call me a bastard. That was all my fault, that was. Yeah? All my fault, Alexi. Amazing meal.
He's finding it really, really hard to reverse find a road, isn't he?
Yeah, but bless him, he's been nice.
Yeah,
Thank you.
is.
A lovely man. Not like her. Cheers, my dude. Thank you very much. I don't know, questionable. It's not, yeah, questionable at least. I wouldn't have done that. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Hey, baby girl. You know how much I hate rubbish and mess, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, shout for me, just shout. You dirty animal.
You dirty animal.
Thank you.
Drop it.
I'm just gonna demonstrate in a minute because I got to do it for myself. That's just one piece of paper. Imagine how much how much reflection there is when there's mountains and mountains of paperwork in your front. I don't get it.
What, is he just screwing up, say that?
Yeah, I was just making fun of people who drive around with rubbish in the front of their car, baby girl. They can't see nothing because of reflection.
I've seen a dirty truck.
Did you? Well, you know we got to say, didn't you?
Dirty bit!
Oh dear. Oh dear.
Dirty bit! 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 Dirty bit!
On the corner with the toolie on the waistline.
Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair. Da, 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 da.
Dark memories of when there was no sunshine.
I'm in a bit of an Akon mood today. We've been having Akon on this morning and there's been quite a few idiots. It's going to be one of those days, me think.
I did think he was going
He
to
wasn't going to wait, was he?
She wasn't. She ran.
Yeah, they flap at you, mine. Dickhead. No, we're going home now. You can shout your special though if you want.
Special!
You're welcome. You're a rude little bitch. Vroom, 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 vroom. You're welcome. You rude. You're welcome. Or you could have just waited. You nasty bitch. Baby girl, tell this person to drive her car.
Drive your car!
And stop being so strange and stupid and idiotic.
What?
Yeah, you can't say that, can you? Can you? Come on, drive your car, man. Growl with me, baby girl. Are you feeling okay, my friend? Strange person, man. There's some strange people about today. I'm gonna give it a go, shall I? Ready?
So that would piss me off, that word.
What?
Him. If I was cut down on my buggy, I would be forced to go on the road.
You just ram your buggy into the back of him, wouldn't you? Just ram him. Crash into
Oh, don't have
the beep. Just clap and call him special. Baby girl, shout special.
Oh no. Oh, that was when you wrote up that word. Nice bit of indication there, isn't it?
Hey, yeah, prick.
Right, no more.
Well, it does have the ability to indicate then.
It does.
If you can't park on a road, just park on the path. Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair. Looks like a nice place to clean your car, doesn't it? No, I'm not a bus. I am not a bus. That's all you can hear is her screaming.
I'm screaming at what?
I don't know. Good parking. Good parking. It's just fun. Well, you can still park there. What? He beeps all that. Oh, what a prick.
Some old lady came up, yeah? So the girl said, oh, they're so beautiful. I said, oh, thank you very much. And they gave her money. They gave them both money.
How much?
20 quid each.
That's weird.
It was all little bitty inner slippers, mind.
Yeah.
Get the paper from the shop.
Yeah.
But you just come out, oh, your children are so beautiful.
See, now, if I was an old man and I went up to a child and give it some money and said, oh, you're so beautiful, I would get massively slapped, wouldn't I?
No, I think, like, you know, like, the older, like, people, like, the ones with the, like, wrinkly faces and stuff.
No, if an old lady goes up to a child, gives it sweets, that's okay. If an old man did that, he's a paedophile.
No, I wouldn't.
He's a pervert.
No, I wouldn't say it like that, like...
No, but many people would think that. It's okay for ladies to do it, but not men.
Oh no, it's raining, I ain't got the rain cover on the buggy either. winter now, you even checked. I ain't got rain jackets either. Yeah! How annoying!